just like we've all become to this society, a fucking tool and nothing else. I'm 62. I got back damage, right? And you know what they want to do to me? They want to make me well and then push me back out to work till I turn 67. They don't say he's had enough. Give him a break. No. He's had enough. Give him a break. He broke his back. And I'm not the only one who's broken my back in life. We've had enough. You don't fix us up. We're not a fucking machine where you fix us up and throw us back into the cycle and the grind again. We want to be fucking respected. Give us a fucking break. And I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that agree with me. We need to stop. We're exhausted. We're broken. Let us go. Don't repair us like an old fucking car and put us back on the road again. You fucking assholes. That's the society we live in. That's respect, isn't it? That's love and respect. No, our job now is to service the younger generations mentally and live by example. That's what our job is now. Do you understand? We're supposed to leave our positions and bring in younger people. You fucking idiots. If I'm ever going to listen to your fucking system. Yes, we're supposed to leave the workforce and leave it open for younger people and migrants to take the position. Migrants who want a better tomorrow and a better life. Sorry, I'm just really upset. I can't go on anymore.